Hey everyone. Today I want to show you my app. It's called Metis Clew. What it is trying to help people understand parts of their code, especially for those people that are vibe coding and don't have a traditional background. So what it is you paste your code, you select and highlight an area of code that you want an explanation for, and then it calls to an API to get an explanation for that. So this is the pop-up module. Here's the area that you have your code input. So you're going to paste your original code here. You're going to select your language. This is TypeScript code that I'm using for the demo today. You're going to submit code here, which takes it to the interactive view. Now, this interactive view is where you select the code that you want. You don't have to select the whole thing. Maybe you just have a question about what are all these imports. So you're just going to highlight your import section here. You're going to scroll down, hit the explain button here. This explain button is now calling to the API. I'm using Claude, and here's the explanation of that highlighted code. So it's going to explain to you what it does. The code sets up the main application structure for the React-based web application. And FYI, I'm just using code from this actual build, so that's kind of funny to me. Why it matters. So it's going to give you the highlights of why this is important. So this is the entry point of the application and lays the foundations for functionality. Then it's going to review key concepts. So we're using React components, the React router, React query, toaster, and tooltip, and then related topics. This is going to be single page application architecture, dependency injection, and separation of concerns. So there's a lot going on in this explanation module here. And then at the end, this doesn't have functionality yet, but was this helpful? Yes or no? Right now we're looking at a one-shot example, but you can sign in and your information will go to the cloud for storage. Right now it's only local storage. So was this helpful in the future? If you sign in, it will learn your learning patterns. And then on the left-hand side, it'll show your recent snippets. So there'll be some history for there. And then just like a little badge to let you know what your patterns are, how many explanations you've given, your learning activity, um, and then later there'll be a settings bar. So that's what I have for Metis Clue right now. There are a few bugs I need to work out. One is that I'm getting a frozen screen occasionally when I move from this tab to another tab and back. That's been pretty hard to debug. And then in the recents, I'm working on getting that up and running as well. But this is what we have for now. Eventually, I'm also going to merge the code input and interactive view because I just figured that this is kind of a duplicative to column interaction, and I can probably consolidate to one for ease of use. So thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's projects. Thank you so much for trying this out. Appreciate it.